Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Guide. This is Mike. Today we're going to look at how to convert a video file from MKV to MP4, and we're going to do this by the use of a software called VLC Media Player. We normally use it to play music on our laptop, on our computer. If you don't know VLC, this is the software. This is how it looks. If you don't have it on your computer, please install it. Just go online, search for VideoLAN VLC player, and follow the official link to download the software. And I can assure it is free and open source software. So follow the link and download VLC to your computer. So after a short while, the download process will start, and make sure you install it. We now want to open VLC after installing it to your computer. Open VLC, and the next process is just to convert that MKV file into your MP4 format. I have a file on my desktop. Here it is, this folder. It's called MKV. This is the MKV file format, and I want to convert it into MP4. So what should I do then? Just open your VLC, go to Media, Convert and Save. You have to add the source of that file. So your source, you can select the local file where it's saved on your computer. So I'll add the file. It is on my desktop, and it is in my convert to MKV to MP4 folder, and then I'll add that source file. The next process is just to hit the convert and save, and you'll get another option where you are asked to choose the file format you want to convert to. So there are very many file formats of your choice, but for my case, we are looking at converting it into MP4. So I'm going to use this H.26 MP3 into brackets MP4 format. And to just convince yourself that you are doing the right thing, on this edit profile, click that convert whether you have chosen the correct file output format, and for our case you can see we have MP4, so we are sure we are doing the right thing. And then choose the destination folder. Also browse. I still want this file to be the same folder I had my source file, so I'll give it a name, and I make sure I give it an extension of MP4 format. So for my case, I would write show dot MP4, and then I would hit the save button. Then you start the process of converting. So it will start the process of converting. Check on my folder. I can see I had, yes, we can confirm we have show.mp4. I can confirm if this is a MP4 file. Just right click and go to properties, and yes, the type file is a MP4. So that is how simply you can convert an MKV file to MP4 using VLC. If you found this video useful to you, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated of any other video I'll be updating soon. Thank you so much. You're welcome.